Dear students, now again welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar and your mathematics teacher. Today I discuss some problems of real number that are on the basis of the Euclid's lemma. So you see here, there are some problem example I solved today. So see here, your first examples is now second part of first examples. 1, 2 for example already I solved it. The second part of examples from 1 again start. Question is that show that every positive even integer is of the form of 2m and that every positive odd integer is the form of 2m plus 1 where m is the sum integer. Your question is that every positive integer either even or odd. That's even, it is in the form of 2m, that means it is divided by 2, and that's number out, it is in the form of 2m plus 1. Like as some questions are suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. It is 2 into 2, it is 2 into 2 plus 1, it is 2 into 3, it is 2 into 3 plus 1. We are trying to find out. It is the form of 2m. Form means m is the variable and it is always changed. Here is 2m plus 1, here is 2m, here is 2m plus 1. Find out that number is even, that is the multiple by 2 and it is in the form of 2m, and that is 5 is odd, it is in the form of 2m plus 1. 6 is the even, so it is the form of 2m, where m is the 3, but here m is the 2. Similarly 7, it is 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 2m plus 1, it is odd, and at the place of m is 3. So how it is possible that every positive integer in the form of 2m or 2m plus 1 by Euclid's division methods? So suppose, write a solution. Let A be any positive integer. A positive integer divided by 2, because you have to prove 2m or 2m plus 1. So we take here, it is divided by 2. We get m is quotient and r is a remainder. So this is a divided by 2. We get m is quotient and r is remainder. So what is A? Then A is equal to 2m plus r, where r greater than or equal to 0, but less than the 2, because 2 is the divisor. So hence r is equal to, what is possibility? R is greater than or equal to 0, but less than 2. What is the possibility? Possibility is only 2 numbers, 0 and L, because r is the less than 2 and greater than 0 and equal to 0. So there are possibility only 2 number can be written. When any number divided by 2, then it is only possible there are only remainder 0, otherwise 1. So case first, if r is equal to 0, then A is equal to 2m plus r and 2m plus 0, that is 2m, and it is clear it is even because it is multiplied by 2. And case second, that is r is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2m plus r, and that is 2m plus 1. So next case is 2m plus 1. So every positive integer when you divide by 2, then it has only 2 forms, otherwise 2m and then 2m plus 1. If it is in the form of 2m, then it is even. If it is in the form of 2m plus 1, then it is odd. So any number you can express in the form of 2m, 2m plus 1 when you divide by 2. Now see next question. Now next examples, that is, so that any positive integer is of the form 3m, 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 2 for some integers. Any positive integer 100, 200, 230, 50, 100, 57, any number you write, then only possibility that it is written in the 3 form. 3m, yeah, 3m plus 1, yeah, 3m plus 2. How it is possible? I write here some number. Suppose 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is. This number you write 3 into 5 plus 1. This number you write 3 into 5 plus 2. This number you write 3 into 6. This number write 3 into 6 plus 1. This number write 3 into 6 plus 2. Dear students, you find out here that this 16 is a positive integer and it is expressed in the form of 3 into 5 plus 1. That is, it is in the form of 3m plus 1 because m is variable. Here you write then it is 3m plus 2. Here you write then it is 3m. Now m is 6. Here m is 5. And it is right 3m plus 1 and it is right 3m plus 2. So find out any number you can express in the form of 3m, 3m plus 1, 3m plus 2. So your question is any number you express 3m or 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 2. So first you write let A be any positive integer divided by 3. Why divided 3? Because here is 3. We get m is quotient and r as remainder. So a divided by 3, m is constant and r is remainder. So by Euclid method, a is equal to what? 3m plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0, less than 3. So what is the possibility of r? It is greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. Greater and equal to 0, so you write here 0, then 1 and 2. No any other than this, because here is condition applied that any remainder is always less than the divisor, and divisor is 3. So remainder may be 0, 1 and 2, no other than this. So here is only possibility remainder 0, 1, 2. Now use the cases. If you write first case, that is case first, r is 0, then a is equal to what? A is equal to 3m plus r, then it is equal to 3m plus 0, and that is 3. Next case 2, a is equal to 3m plus r, and in case 2 now r is equal to 1, then it is 3m plus 1, that is case 2. And case 3, then r is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3m plus r, and that times 3m plus 2. So there are only 3 conditions when a number divided by 3, then possibility is only 3 conditions. First, When remainder is 0, then you write in the form of 3m. When remainder is 1, then it is possibility it is 3m plus 1, and when remainder is 2, then it is possible 3m plus 2. And it is also clear that when a number divided by 3, then remainder is only 0, 1 and 2, not less than 0 and never more than 2. So there are only 3 conditions. When you divide by 3, then you get your solution like that. Your form is 3m, 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. Now example 4, that is so that every positive odd integer is of the form 6m plus 1 or 6m plus 3 or 6m plus 5 for some integer m. That means any odd integers you can write in the form of 6m plus 1, 6m plus 3, 6m plus 5. Otherwise, you can think that any number when divided by 6, that times this form is always odd and the remaining form are the even. You solve like as previous questions, example 1 and 2, you can solve this example 4. So in first questions, you divided by 2 because your question is 2m and 2m plus 1. Next, your question is 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. So, in this question you divided by 2 and in this question you divided by 3. So, dear students, here your question is 6m plus 3, 6m plus 5. So, you divided by 6. So, now let A be any positive integer divided by 6, we get m is quotient, r is remainder. So by Euclid method, it divides this A by 6. We get the m is quotient and r is remainder. So what you get? You get A is equal to 6m plus r. So here r greater than equal to 0 but less than 6. Let A be any positive integers divided by 6 because your question is related to 6m plus 3 divided by 6. We get m is the quotient and r is the remainder. Then by Euclid division's lemma, A is equal to 6m plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0, less than 6. So what is the possibility of r? So you write the possibility of r is, so r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because you divided 6, then there are 6 remainder may be starting from 0 and last remainder may be 5. 6 is no remainder when you divide the any number by 6. So there are 6 cases in this solution. So case first, when r is equal to 0, so what you get? A is equal to 6m plus r. Then it is 6m plus 0, that is 6m. And it is multiplied by 2, divided by 2, so it is even. Clear? Next case, second, when r is equal to 1, then A is equal to 6m plus r, that is 6m plus 1. No any common between them, so it is clear, it is out. Case third, r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 6m plus r, that is 6m plus 2. You take 2 common, 3m plus 1, here is 2 common, then it is clear, it is even. Any number multiply by 2, then it is even. Case 4, when a is equal to 6m plus now r is 3, no common 2 between them, so it is out. Case 5, a is equal to 6m plus 4, here 2 common, 3m plus 2, it is even because 2 is common. And last case is a is equal to 6m plus 5, here is no any common 2 between them, so it is out. So find out what is out. Here is 3 common, but even is only when 2 common. So odd is 6m plus 5, 6m plus 3 and 6m plus 1. So it is clear. Your question is odd form is 6m plus 1. So it is 6m plus 1. Next 6m plus 3. So it is 6m plus 3. And last 6m plus 5. So here is 6m plus 5. It is in the form of odd. So you solve these questions. Let a number be a and divided by 6. And then you get there are 6 remainder. And 3 remainder when you substitute. Then 3 remainder when put in the equations. Then these are the even, and remaining 3 equations are odd. So write these questions by this way. Now see example 3. In this question, show that any positive odd integer in the form of 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. Before this question, I solved example 4. That times is 6m plus 1, 6m plus 3 and 6m plus 5. But in this question, 4m plus 1 and 4m plus 3. So it is clear in this question you divide by 4. So you write a solution. Let a be any positive integer divided by 4. We get m is quotient and r as remainder. What you get? It is a divided by 4, m is quotient, r is remainder. So a is equal to what? 4m plus r by Euclid's method. Then r is greater than equal to 0, less than 4. So r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. There are 4 possibilities. When any number divided by 4, then it is only possibility that r is only 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now use their cases. Case first. When r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 4m plus r, that is 4m plus 0, that is 4m, and it is equal to 2 into 2m. So it is even. Clear? Next case, when r is equal to 1, and you write it is 4m plus 1, that is odd because no any common between them. Third, when r is equal to 2, what you write? You write a is equal to 4m plus 2. Here 2 is common, 2m plus 1. Here 2 is common, so it is even. Clearly it is. And last step is 4m plus 3. Last step is 4m plus 3. Case number 4. And it is no common between them of 2. So it is clearly odd. So what is the condition of odd number? There are 2. One is here 4m plus 1, another is there 4m plus 3. So when a number divided by 4, and there are 4 conditions. These 2 are even and remaining 2 are odd. So one is 4m plus 1, another is 4m plus 3. So that's okay. Next question I solve in next classes.